going on, guys? So trade update as of right now, it is
10:16 EST time.
Right now we have still not taken a new trade in the account, and we decided to today hold ourselves accountable, taking the Punisher out, going to the city, and we paid almost like triple the price. We withdrew the profits that we made. We were all day out in the Punisher, and then on top of that, we missed out on these opportunities because we weren't in front of the market. So we paid 3 times. And bro, I'm telling you, this has been a very fucking volatile week. I have not seen a week this volatile in a very long time. So let me do a quick trade update on how the markets are looking. So we had GBP CAD, which to start off the week, this market first obviously wicked us out from this area here. Then we missed out on this opportunity exactly how I explained that I was looking for it. Price came back, had a retest, had the exact same entry that I pretty much entered here, that I looked to enter here. On the 1 hour, it created a perfect textbook left head, right shoulder, break of the neckline, retested this area of interest, and then on the 30-minute time frame, beautiful engulfing candlestick. I would have not entered off of this engulfing simply because of the time that presented itself, which is out of session. But nonetheless, if we would have taken it here, we would have been up a very decent amount, almost a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, which was crazy. So we missed out on this trade. Euro GBP, which has been a massive bullish trade throughout the whole entire week. As of right now, we have created a massive left head, right shoulder. We have had a strong push, and now we're approaching this resistance. I believe that we're going to find resistance very strongly at this area, so then we can have a retracement of this neckline to head to the upside. So this right here is going to be a massive counter trend trade, but it's going to be a very high probability trade setup, where we can wait for this to have a break and a retest to this area to then sell. I don't think that's going to happen this week. I believe it's going to happen next week. But if it were to happen tonight, I would highly consider entering it. AUD CAD, on the other hand, a motherfucking like massive move. Like, this is fucking ridiculous. The one trade we actually caught and we made money on, we actually closed basically halfway of the whole potential where it did end up going. This is a trade that I anticipated for it to go this low, but truthfully not this whole entire week. But it's okay, because I believe we're going to be entering new sales of this sometime next week. So this is the power of set and forget. This is free money by just simply holding. And lastly, and definitely not least, is GBP NZD, once again, not disappointing on just moving extremely fast. So this trade came back, retested this area, and gave us the exact same entry that we got right here, once again, at this point right here, where we could then have entered, so we can have this out to the downside. Exactly how we did here. It's literally the same exact trade. They look identical. Once again, wasn't in front of the computer, wasn't paying attention, and we missed out on this opportunity. For London session, I'm going to wait for a retracement to potentially sell. The fact that this whole entire week has had this many opportunities, and we've blown an account and only made 2 times the account is I'm very disappointed in myself. I'm not going to lie. But you know what? I think this is creating the runway for you for next week.
Yeah.
Because this just shows you how
it is, how it really is.
Yeah. So with that being said, we're going to get ready for the London session tonight. These are all the markets that I'm going to be interested in. I'm not make sure I'm not going to miss one now. And on top of that, to not fall asleep.
I already fixed the mistake that I made, ladies and gentlemen.
So what was the mistake that you made? Why didn't you wake up?
So I didn't wake up because unintentionally I put the alarm to be at PM. So I put 1, yes, I put 2 as well, and 3 PM.
So you put the alarm instead of 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m.?
I just put it 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. I mean, I don't know, like I just didn't check that. I mean, I did, yeah, and it was PM.
Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Everything happens for a reason. Good luck tonight.
So I see you tomorrow at 1, at 2, and at 3.
Well, if this has this pullback, you call me. If not, you leave me sleeping, brother.
No, I got you. But you're gonna see me in the camera recording.
Sure.
You're just coming over here.
That's fine. All right, perfect. All right. With that being said, that's the update for tonight. See you guys tomorrow.